Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a good day. How's everybody doing today? This is very stern. I mean, you can only see me waving at you. I'm cleaning out a customer's dryer vent on a one-story house. The house was re-roofed in the last 2 years. Anyways, they put on a new termination hood, and I took a couple snapshots and on the videotape some of that. But anyways, up top, the lid of the hood is riveted in place. So I'm going to probably clean this from the inside out. It's only a one-story house. It goes up to the subfloor and then it crosses over at an angle and then goes out. So I'm estimating the total length of this being about 20-ish feet long. I'll know better as I'm running the cleaning tools and the brushes through. Initially taking off the disconnecting the dryer, we see this immediately. So the first thing I'm going to do in here, I've already set up my vacuum. I'm going to vacuum up the area where I'm going to be working because it's pretty filthy. This is a 4-inch dryer vent connection pipe. It's a 90-degree elbow here. I'm going to put my vacuum as it's running on this side, put my hand around it because they're not the same size, and feel the suction and see what we pull out just on sucking at this point in time. Now, if we have a complete clog, what will happen is it'll pull on my hand. If we have complete no suction on my hand, we still may have a buildup. It's just not a complete clog. And then after I do that, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get my brushes and rods, and I'll run up 4 feet at a time, back it off, vacuum, go ahead and go back in 4 feet, and then add on another 4-foot rod, go up 8 feet as the brush is attached and the rod's attached to drills, and then I will go ahead and back off, vacuum it out, then go ahead and go up to 8 feet again, add on another 4 feet, go up 12 feet as I'm brushing it, and we will go ahead and do that until we're all the way at the termination hood. So at this point in time, I'll turn this off, and we'll be back in a second. I can feel the particulate coming down through, it's sucking it, and an initial big clump hit when I put it in my vac. I am pulling directly from the outside now, so we don't have a complete clog. And once again, as I said, we go ahead and clean off this area here because there's a lot of particulate, a lot of paint chips, lint. You can see ants that came in underneath the this is an exterior wall. Ants that came through, so see some sand from where they built up their potential habitats. Let's say, since I'm going to be in here, I'd like to get this somewhat clean. Kind of going to be my worker. It could be a rule of thumb is no matter what you do in life, if you're working in an area, you want to have it as clean as you can get it. You're not wallowing in whatever it is, grease, dirt, mud, lint, etc. Because you have lint coming out the side flange here. Another thing, if you notice here, this is your gas valve. This gas valve it's got to be a gas valve. No way that can be water. It's kind of funky though. Wow, if it is water, or even if it is water or it is gas, both of these should be capped off in case we have failure of the valve. I mean, it's just minor things like that don't cost very much money that you do as being proactive and preventative. You got 2 openings here, gas or water. If this got turned or this came undone for whatever reason and you're getting this coming into the garage area, it's not a good thing.